In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on Do Prime. Now, the first thing you have to do here on your dashboard, of course, you have to create either a demo or a live account you want to start trading with, and that's completely up to you and very easy. Click on any of these buttons, go through the setup, and then you'll be able to get your account within just a few seconds. Now, whenever you do that, you'll have your account under your accounts overview, and of course, you could go ahead and download their MT5 or MT4 platform and actually trade on that. And if you want to know how to do it, you could go watch my videos on my channel. I do have separate videos on that. However, if you just want to get started right away as fast as possible, what you can do is click on Trading View over here next to where it says Demo Accounts, or of course Live Accounts. So I have here my MT5 account. I'm going to click on Trading View. It's going to take me to a separate page here, which is basically this trading system over here, which is their online trader. And then you can just select whatever you want to trade. So here on the right hand side, you can see different symbols. You can change to whatever you want. Like if I do Euro USD, for example, and then you want to click on either of these buttons, top left, it's going to open up your trading panel here on the right. And you can then select if you want to do a buy or sell order, select which type of order you want, market, limit, or stop. And then you can select your units, so how much you would like to buy, the price, the ticks, the stop losses, take profits, etc. And whenever you're ready, just click on the buy button over here or the sell button, and then your order is going to be open over here and your position created. So that's how to trade. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.